Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. With summer knocking on the door, it's time we ramp up our workout routines. Today, I'll be sharing some incredible tips that can help maximize your exercise effects. Ready to get fit? Let's dive in. First up, the power of music. Did you know that listening to fast-paced music can boost your workout performance? According to a study from the University of Verona, fast-paced tunes that run at about 170 to 190 beats per minute can stimulate our sympathetic nervous system, leading to an increased heart rate and enhanced stamina. So, next time you hit the gym, make sure to pump up those energetic beats. Our second tip for today is drinking coffee. Who would have thought our beloved espresso could be a pre-workout booster? That's right, folks. The caffeine in coffee promotes metabolism and increases calorie consumption. And guess what? A study by Coventry University, UK, suggests that those who drink coffee before exercise burn more calories than those who don't. Let's chew on our third tip, quite literally. Have you ever thought of exercising while chewing gum? It may sound a bit quirky, but research from Waseda University in Japan suggests that the rhythm of chewing gum raises your heart rate and enhances your workout effect. So, pop in a piece of gum before you start your next walk or jog. Last but not least, let's talk about your workout attire. Tight-fitting clothes not only make you look good, but also help in reducing unnecessary muscle tremors during exercise. Plus, they're great for checking whether you're using specific muscles correctly and maintaining the right breathing patterns. And there you have it. Incorporate these tips into your fitness routine and see the difference. Fast music, pre-workout coffee, chewing gum, and wearing tight-fitting clothes could give you the edge you need this summer. As always, stay fit, stay healthy, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more fitness tips and tricks.